Hey there, this is Alice, our club president, Morgan, our treasurer, Audrey, our administrator, and Jack, our publicity officer. We are the exec team at Blue Light Collective.
Blue Light Collective is a place for like-minded people to socialize, network, and collaborate on digital media-related topics.
Because Blue Light Collective has such a diverse range of members, our activities are focused on creativity and collaboration in general rather than a particular discipline, which is why we like to have low-key events such as creative jams, workshops, and networking events.
The collective is completely free to join, and most events will have no costs attached. So if you're at all interested in any areas of digital media, such as animation, games design, art, or music, Blue Light is a space to meet, collaborate, and socialise with like-minded people.